one?
It's on.
Okay, let's see if I can check the temperature of this. Oh, now I can see 834. Before I couldn't even see the little red thing. See, now I can see it.
I turned it down. You told me to turn it down.
Yeah, well,
940
okay.
in the back.
Well, I'm not going to put this all the way in the back anyway. So this is it going?
Yeah.
This is the same pizza dough, and I just put garlic butter on it with big pieces of garlic on it. Oops, that caught on fire.
Yep, the butter.
Yeah, the butter burned. I spilled the brother.
Well, don't worry about it.
I've got to turn this pretty quickly. Oops, let me go in front of the camera. I got this cream. See, it's bubbling up. Now it's going to burn again. I'm going to take it out. Turn it this way on the peel, and then let's see if I can get it back in. I don't want to get it all the way to the back. I guess it's bubbling up. I thought it was going to poof up like a pizza bread, but it didn't.
Well, no, it's poofing up like pizza dough.
Yeah. Turn it. See, one edge is kind of burning. Let me get it turned that way. I don't think it needs to go all the way to the back. I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, who knows what this is? This is. Yeah, this is a mess.
No, it's not.
You know, well, I think, I don't know if that edge is cooked. I'm going to put it back in just a little bit. I guess I can't blow it out. Okay. Well, here's how it looks with sizzling butter on it.
Yeah.
We'll see how it. Okay.
Tastes.
All right. Turn it off.